Hey Millennium Minders, I'm super excited to share with you in this video how you can generate an awesome amount and sustainable amount of money online by just using the internet. And this is not going to include surveys or those quick money making ways online. You don't need any money to get started. It's completely free to do. You don't need any investment, and your earning potential is very big, as this is more of a business model that pays a lot more than the small survey websites that only pay a couple of cents. This can potentially pay you a passive income of hundreds of dollars per week, per day, depending on the effort that you put in. And you're also not going to be using any form or source of paid traffic, so you're not buying traffic, you're not putting any money into this, and you also don't need any funnel builders or any email lists to purchase to get a lot of traffic. So I'm going to show you free traffic methods, and this can work for anybody worldwide. It's international, so anybody can do this method, which is really cool. But it will take a couple of hours of upfront work before you can start generating some good money from this. But once you put in those hours, this does become a passive income method, which is really cool. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. So I'm going to head over to a website called Udemy. So for those of you who don't know what Udemy is a website where people can purchase online courses and also learn on this website. So you've got two types of people on this website. The people that will come to this website that is looking for a specific course and that will purchase a course. So let's say, for example, YouTube. I'm going to put YouTube in the search bar, and you can actually purchase YouTube masterclass courses, YouTube SEO, so how to rank on YouTube, 2019 YouTube masterclass. So there's a whole bunch of courses. This is just YouTube, for example, that people are selling on Udemy. So yeah, you're probably wondering, how am I going to make money on this? But you're not going to actually make money by selling courses on this website. So you're not going to be selling these $10 courses, because I mean, $10 per customer is actually, it's not a lot of money. It's not sustainable. But I'm going to show you a way that you can actually earn a lot more per customer. You're talking $50, $60 more than the courses on Udemy. And what we're going to be doing is, rather than charging like $10 per courses like these guys, and no, we're not going to earn extra on our clients by just upping these prices. It's not going to be like that. As I say, rather than being like these guys selling these $10 course, we're actually going to be offering free courses. So for example, let's say I wanted to create a course on how to create a Shopify dropshipping store. So let's go have a look at some of the Shopify courses that are already on here. And if I type Shopify in the search bar, you can see they've got the complete Shopify AliExpress dropship course at 110 Rand, which is $10. Also $10, and there's really a ton of them. And you can see this one has got a rating of 9,200 ratings so far. So this is a great niche or good market to get involved with this method, is Shopify dropshipping. So you can see it's a huge market, 9,000 ratings, 4,000 ratings. Each course is getting 1,000 ratings plus. So let's say you're going to create your free course on Udemy for a Shopify dropshipping course, and you're asking yourself, I can understand, how are you going to actually make money with this free course that you're not actually charging anything for? And that is where the power of affiliate marketing comes in. And for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, it is essentially you promoting other products or other services on websites through a unique link where you'll get a commission for that. So if I head over to Shopify's affiliate page, and this is just an example of many examples that you can use. You could use as I say, many different niches with affiliate programs, but in this case, I'm just going to use Shopify. And you can see here, help shape the future of the e-commerce, empower your audience, and you can see your commissions is earn an average of $58 per each user who signs up for a paid plan with your unique referral link, and $2,000 for each plus referral. To maximize your earnings, each referral will be nurtured to help them transition from trial to paid plan. So I mean, $58 is a lot more than earning $10 per course or sale on Udemy. And I mean, the chances of somebody signing up for a Shopify paid store is very high, because the person that has come to watch your course is obviously very interested in Shopify. And I mean, because your course is free, whereas these guys are charging for your course, you're bound to get a lot of traffic and a lot of interest in your course because of the fact it's free. People are not paying anything for it. And that is where your affiliate link, the power of affiliate marketing, is going to come in, where you can earn $58 per each user that signs up on a paid plan. And that is why way more people are going to be coming into the door of your course, simply because your course is free. So I mean, people are going to see your referral link with the Shopify dropshipping store or course that you have that you've got for free. So it's bound to get a lot of clicks on Udemy, which people then can go sign up on Shopify, and you're going to earn $58, as I say, for every user that signs up. So you realize, like, yeah, it may seem kind of silly or stupid to create a free course at first, but then as you go along, you kind of realize, yeah, I'm going to be earning a lot more with the power of affiliate marketing commissions than just selling your course for a standard $10 on Udemy.com. So I'm going to use another example. Let's say email marketing, and you don't necessarily have to be very good at making these courses. I mean, you can get all the information you need to create a little 30-minute course or video. You can literally just get your PC, a decent microphone. You can use a screen recorder called Open Broadcaster software. If I go OBS on Google, you can see Open Broadcaster software is a free program you can use to record your desktop, which is the program I'm using. And you can record your desktop using YouTube videos, getting some information from YouTube videos, which is really awesome. So let's also use email marketing as another example. So I'm going to go email marketing on Udemy, and you can see there's a complete digital marketing course, digital marketing masterclass, also $10, $10, $10. So the usual price on this website seems like it's $10. As I say, you don't need to be an expert to create these courses. You just need to know a little bit about it. And then what you can do is, throughout recording your course, you can mention in your video if you want to visit my #1 recommended Shopify or dropshipping store program, that is Shopify, and then people will come and sign up and earn $58. And then for the email marketing campaign, you can use an awesome platform called GetResponse, which also pays you passive income for referring people to their program. So let's say you create an awesome course on email campaigns. So in this case, email marketing, and you mention throughout the course, my favorite or best recommended platform to get going with email marketing is GetResponse, and here's a link for you to sign up and get started. And you can see if I come down on getresponse.com/affiliate programs, you're going to earn the following commissions. So affiliate bounty program, a generous one-time commission of $100 for every account referred. So monthly payouts, free marketing materials, and real-time earning statistics. And then also the affiliate recurring program is a sustainable long-term revenue. You're earning 33% of the packaging or of the package that your referral purchases. So if I come over to the purchasing tab or the pricing tab, you can see the pricing options. So $15 a month, $49 a month. So let's say you refer a referral to the $49 per month. You're going to get 30% of that per month for the rest of your life for your referral that is paying this monthly price for the plus package on this GetResponse marketing campaign. Same thing with the $99 package, and the same thing with the enterprise package, which is really awesome. So as I say, earning $100 on getresponse.com and 33% reoccurring commissions is far better than just earning $10 per selling a course once off on Udemy.com. So I think it's really an awesome strategy. It's very different to the people on Udemy.com, and that's what I think is going to make your course a lot more popular because of the fact it's free. And the best part about this method, it's a win-win for everybody. So the person that's coming to your course is getting free information, is getting a free course, and at the same time you making money through the affiliate marketing program. So it really is a win-win. But one more thing I do actually want to go over is it's much easier said than done creating a little video course that's 30 to a minute long. So as you can see, for email marketing, there's over 4,800 different results. So for the chances of your course hitting the top page is not high at all. So you can see there's 241 pages, and as a newbie, there's a big chance that your course is most likely going to be listed on the bottom pages. But this is where I'm going to help you and really help you try and rank up this course, not only through Udemy, but through many other platforms as well. So stick with me as we do that. So what I suggest is also create content on places such as blog. I also recommend YouTube. YouTube is a great place. So if I come over to YouTube and I type in Shopify dropshipping store, there we go. So you can see there's a whole bunch of awesome videos on people that have made videos on how to set up a Shopify dropshipping store. You can see 215k views, 2.9 million views. You can see a guy who made an awesome video, an hour 42 minute long, so a full-on free course on how to make a free Shopify store for 2.9 million views that he's already got. So imagine if he had his referral link to Shopify, and the amount of commissions that he could be earning through the Shopify affiliate program, as even if 10,000 people out of those 2.9 million people sign up at earning $58 each. So that is the potential. And also what's fantastic about YouTube, it can become another source of income, which is really good. So you create a course for YouTube as well as Udemy, and you're getting traffic from both sides in the end, and also blog sites such as Quora, Reddit, or if you want to create your own little website through WordPress, you can do that as well. But why I think this is really going to work for you is simply because your course is free. I mean, people are going to eat that up, and that's how you're going to get a lot of people through your door, because your course is free. I mean, people are not paying anything, and I can promise you, if people are interested in Shopify and they see a free Shopify course, they're going to come to your course through the door of your course, and they're going to want to get, watch your course. They will hear that, okay, you recommend Get Response. They're most likely going to click on your affiliate link. Same thing with the Shopify example. So the chances of you doing well with this method, I'm not saying it's going to work for everybody, but I really see the potential with this method. And what it's going to do is, by also posting your course on YouTube and blog sites, getting more traffic to your Udemy course, it's going to get a lot of people. It's going to really rank your course up in the Udemy rankings as well. So let's say your course is free and you filter by free course. So you got all four filters, click on free, click apply. You can see that now there's only 366. So out of the free results, there's most likely a great chance of you getting higher on the rank page with your Shopify dropshipping course. So you can see email marketing made easy for beginners, completely free. This guy got a 1 hour video, 1,000 ratings, which is really good. So the chances of you hitting the top page is much better if you filter by the free option, which is great. And then as more and more people are clicking on your course, it's just going to get a snowball effect. It's going to get bigger and bigger, and more people are going to be going to your affiliate links. And eventually, once you've worked hard enough and you get to the top page, you're going to get hundreds of people clicking on your affiliate links on a daily basis, which will really generate an amazing sustainable income for yourself passively, whether you choose the affiliate recurring program. Same thing with Shopify, $58 per user, which is really going to generate, as I say, an amazing income for yourself. And what these people are doing is, throughout the course, they're literally saying, hey, if you want to get a 14-day free trial, head over to my recommended website, getresponse.com, by clicking on the link in the description of this course, and that is your affiliate link. And if they sign up, or when they sign up, that's where you're going to get your commission. So that's the best way of doing it in creating your video, is just recommend your favorite platform. So Shopify for the dropshipping example, and Get Response for the email marketing example. And you can also use food niche, for example, Herbalife, the network marketing program there. There's so many different examples that you can do. And you can also use ClickBanks for affiliate marketing offers, which is really great as well. And then as you grow your audience, you can go also create a couple of paid courses. So you can go do it through the paid way and earn $10 per course that you make on Udemy as well. But that I would only recommend once you start building more of an audience for yourself. But just imagine if you can get the ball rolling with this, and you're getting a lot of people into your free course, that the potential earnings that I've now showed you through this video is really good. And I'm not saying it's going to work instantly. I'm not promising anything for you, but I'm just showing you the potential right here, what you can actually do, and how you can really be different to these guys. But yeah, if you have any ideas or opinions on this method, sure, comment down below what you think of the strategy, and if you're going to give this a try. And also leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. I'll really appreciate your support. Everybody, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all of your support. And if you're also new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below so I can send you a notification when I upload more awesome videos just like this one on a daily basis. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.